Welcome to episode 4. Today's video I want to show you how to highlight, the best way to highlight your face. So if you want to know how we arrive on this point, the first episode, second episode, third episode is down below all this video. But today we are going to teach how to highlight. So what I do, please, I want you to focus your eye and concentrate. What I have there with me is highlighter, concealer. So I always use a bright color. Use the color that is brighter than your shade, like 3 times. So the first one is the 3 is brighter than the other one. The one that is more brighter, put it under your eye. The one that is more brighter, like 3 shades. So just see the way I'm going to do it. This one are very brighter than my color 3 times. And I will now use it at the end of my eye, that corner there as well. So I just want you to concentrate. I know you will learn 1 or 2 things from this video. And the other color as well, that is 2 shades brighter than me, I will go for that now, to use that one to blend it. Just see the way I will position my hand. The proper way to blend under your eye, especially under your eye. As you can see, that shade is not brighter as the first one I used before. So, but this one I'm doing is optional. If you have 1 shade brighter than 2 shades brighter than you, if you don't want to mix, you can just use 1 highlighter. So, but what I want you to understand, blending highlighter is the only way is use soft beauty blender and push it to your skin and dab me. You are touching it. Don't scrub. See, just see my hand, the way I touch. Is touch. And make sure you bring your nose down, stretch your eye down for that skin there. As you can see, the way you see the area of my nose. So you can see where the hole of my nose is. You make sure your highlighter climb both sides of the highlighter. Make sure it climb to the area of the hole of the nose. So, and the middle as well. Then you start blending and touch, dab. That is what we mean by push in to the skin. Push it to the skin. So if you know you don't have slim face, highlighter. If you don't have slim face, don't highlight so much your forehead. Don't let that brightness of the highlighter goes up too much. Just stop at the area after your eyebrow. But if you know that your face is slim, you can raise your hand up like the highlighter, take it more up. The same thing with the under eye. See this particular spot I am now. If you know that you have big face, round face, don't highlight your highlighter to get to this circle, to get to the area after your eye. You see that particular place I am now. Don't let your highlighter get there. Just highlight only under your eye bulb, because the more you spread your highlighter, the more your face become wider. Your face become wider, because the only thing that bring your face smaller is contour. After this video, I will teach you how to contour, because I want to teach you full face makeup, but we are splitting it. I decide to split the video, to divide the video, so that the video you will not be bored. If the video is too big, you will get tired. So as you can see, the way I'm just trying to blend the highlighter to the skin. So after this video, the next video is how to contour. So the first episode was how to draw perfect eyebrow. The second one was how to prime the face before makeup. The third one was how to best way to apply foundation. But concentrate your eye. See the way I'm just dabbing that spot. You dab. So this one is the 4th episode. So this 4th episode, number 4, is just only how to highlight your eyes. Then we are going to continue from here. The next one will be how to contour. So in case you are watching me for the first time, my name is Deck Beauty. I based in United Kingdom, London. So Amito Makeup Gele, traditional bridal hair, all beauty. Go to my Instagram, you will see all my work is there. I do photo shoot. I have studio here in United Kingdom, London. Book me for your event. Come and have your photo shoot in my studio. Okay, so I hope you have learned one or two things. Try and blend all the edge, all the corner, so that the next one will continue where we stop. We'll continue by contouring our face. So that is it for today video. So we sell makeup product as well. We sell perfume. My number, I will demonstrate my number on the screen now so that you can contact me for your event. So go and watch the beginning from this video so that you will understand where we are going to. See you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye for now. So these are mine. So let me demonstrate my service. You see, these are my service. You can screenshot it. So all this work you see, these are my handwork. So if you want to see my handwork, I have the latest version of all this, my handwork. Go to my IG. My Instagram name is Deck Beauty. So I sell here perfume, I sell makeup product. I will post it to you. Follow me on my social media. Bye bye.